is she? Saige, where are you? Thought you'd be done getting changed by now. Okay, well, let's see if there's any good music on today. Let's see here. Oh.
Hey, Interstar students, it's Miss Tiffany again with your weather forecast here on channel 123.4. It looks like Winter Storm Hercules hasn't quite unleashed all of his fury yet.
What?
We're going to get another huge blizzard tonight.
No, not again.
Everybody stay inside and don't go out for any reason.
Don't worry, I won't. Man, are you kidding me? More snow? I was kind of hoping for rain. Saige isn't going to be happy about this. Man, would she just hurt? Saige! Rembrandt! Whoa, boy, stop! Huh? Whoa! Oof! Oh no, Lanie, I am so sorry. Thanks. Oh, Rembrandt, what a crazy dog. Listen, I just heard on the radio that there's going to be another blizzard tonight. What? Again? Yeah, I'm sorry, Saige, but should we still do the party? I mean, wouldn't everybody just rather go home? Yeah, but we already have everything all planned. It's going to be awesome. Me and Alyssa thought out everything. Beach party, indoors. Okay, but I don't know if everybody will come. No, don't worry. Everyone will come. Or at least I know that you're here, and I know Alyssa's gonna come. So, we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, Lanie, you were right. I guess nobody could show up. I hate to say it, but yeah, I was right. And in this case, I hate being right. So, what should we do? I don't know. Just enjoy the music, I guess. Okay. I'm coming. I'm here. Oh my gosh. I'm out of breath. Hold on. Let me go turn the music off. Oh, man. Out of breath. Alyssa, what took you so long? Well, as you know, it's a little nutso out there. Well, I knew that. But again, what took you so long? Last I checked, your mom is really, really good at driving through weather. Well, she is, but not when you can't see 2 inches in front of your face. Really? It's that bad out? Oh, yeah. Very bad. Hey, well, Saige, it looks like we've got a party of 3. Yeah, party of 3. Woo! Cool song you guys were listening to. Hey, I'm here, so let's party! Come on, guys! Hit it, Lanie! Woo! My mom never lets me have soda! Yeah!
I can lift you up. I can show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be.
Mom never lets me have soda. Me too. Lanie, your hair's on my earring. Lanie. Okay, there, I got it. Sort of. And there we go. Ugh. What should we do now? I don't know exactly. Alrighty then. Raise the roof, raise the roof. Who's ready to party? Whoop, 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 party. What? Hey, why is everybody asleep? Hello? Saige? Alyssa? Lanie? Guys? Hello? Alyssa? 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 Guys? Hello? Wake up! Okay. Guys? 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 Come on. Get up. Wake up! Let's see. How can I... Fire! There's a fire! Say what? Who said what? Huh? What? Oh, gosh. I'm up. Guys, Saige, Amy. Hi, Allyson. Hi, Alyssa. What's going on? I thought we were having a party. Say what? I'm up. I'm up. I'm awake, everybody. Okay. Oh. I'm up. I'm up. Saige. I just let her sleep. So, are we having a party or what? Not really. There's another storm coming. What? You guys are gonna cancel the party just because of a stupid little storm? Come on. I'll get everybody over here and be back in 10 minutes, okay? And then we'll really have a party. Be right back. Okay. Woo! Party! Yeah! Hey guys, this party is totally awesome! Thanks, Allyson. Yeah, thanks for getting everybody over here, Allyson. You're making the party. Thanks, guys. Woohoo! Yeah! Party! Hey, why'd the music stop? I don't know. Hey, guys, what happened to the lights? Attention students, we are having, well, some power issues due to the storm. I'm going to have to put the school in a lockdown. If you are currently inside, you're staying put. What? Guys, what are we going to do? chill out, Addie. We'll just have to, you know, make do. What do you mean make do? Party's over, guys. Yeah, and we might have to stay the night at the school. Ah! Okay, who screamed? Wasn't me. Help! Help! Help me! Guys! Guys! Ah! Eyes. Nikki, what's wrong? I can't get out. I was coming to the party, and I forgot some food in my mom's car. I tried to get back out. All the doors are closed. We are locked in. I talked to the school secretary. She says we're all going to have to spend the night. So she'll bring up some of the sleeping bags from the emergency kit. I don't want to stay the night. Jeez, Nikki, chill out. We'll get some light in here, soon. I can't see anything, guys. Can you? Hey guys, I think I found a flashlight. Ah, my eyes! Ruby, turn it off! Sorry. Let's see. Ow! Ruby, will you stop that? Sorry. Guys, what are we gonna do? I don't know. I'm kind of freaking out right now. Ah! You know what? Stop it! Ugh. Now I really can't see anything. Well, what should we do then? Mia? I don't know. Saige? I don't know. Don't even think about it. I'm kinda worried. I mean, I'm wearing clothes, not pajamas. Like, day clothes, that kind of stuff. Ruthie, just stop with the flashlight, okay? Okay. So worried. What are we gonna do? I don't know. What should we do? There's nothing we can do. We're gonna be stuck here all night long. Hey guys. I just went to my room down the hall and brought back this lantern. Sure, it flickers, but it's better than nothing. Thanks, Addie. Sure? Guys, what are we gonna do? I don't know. I'm kind of at a loss right now. Well, we gotta make the best of it. We're gonna be stuck here all night. What a letdown. Hey, guys. It's not a letdown. We're all here. Remember? We wanted this to be a party. Yeah, Saige, but we're kind of stuck here. Yeah, true. But it can still be a lot of fun. Oh yeah, guys, this is a blast. Hey guys, look, I found another flashlight.